Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HR Talks with Khala. First of all, I would like to say I'm really sorry. I have been really away for a long time. I have uploaded a video last week and now I'm going to be really regular with a video every week and short and sweet shots during the week as well. So I've not been keeping well, so that's why I've taken a break, but now I am back. So today we're going to talk about a very interesting and very relevant topic, which is a pain point of a lot of people nowadays. That is how to find a good opportunity, how to become that employee of choice for recruiters, and what can we do to improve our LinkedIn profile as well as our resumes. So this is a video for those people who are either looking for an opportunity and currently they are jobless, or they are at some job and they're looking to switch their job, or for some people who might want to see some tips for future if they ever go on a job hunt journey. So this video is for you. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk first things first. What is going on in the job market? It is definitely tougher to get a good opportunity now than the pre-AI era, because definitely AI has been here, it's transformative, it is taking a lot of jobs as well. But don't worry and don't overthink the situation. Recruiters like me are always on a lookout for great talent. That is you, but you have to put the effort. Just like you put a lot of effort on a first date with a person you really like, you wouldn't go on that first date wearing pajamas and a shirt that is not ironed. Well, I hope not. So whenever you are thinking of a new opportunity, always think about coming forward with your best attire, with your A game, right? Let's start with the basic, your resume, your profile. Always think about your resume like a movie trailer. So keep it short, sweet, and effective, to the point that you always leave the recruiter wanting for more and really looking forward to see you, to know the whole film. So as a recruiter, I am completely bored with the phrases like I'm a hardworking individual, when you will hire me I will be honest, blah blah blah. Not gonna work. You have to add something which is your measurable achievement. For example, I have increased sales by 30% in 6 months, or I've managed a team of 10 individuals and deliver a project 2 weeks ahead of time. So these are the right achievements that will make your resume stand out. I'm not saying these particular two achievements, I was just obviously giving an example, but whatever you have achieved in your last role, you have to be very crisp with it, so the recruiter can see that how did you added value in your current or previous role, so that recruiter can match your expertise with the current requirement that the recruiter is looking for, and you can at least get to the interview stage as well, right? And we have to talk about LinkedIn. LinkedIn has literally become your career passport, something that everybody wants to look at when they got your resume. If your resume does not have your LinkedIn account link, recruiters like me are like, what are we going to do with this employee? So your LinkedIn needs to be updated, one. Number two, needs to have very effective bio. What drive hiring people crazy is a simple bio which says looking for great opportunities. Well, Sherlock Holmes, we already know that, but you need to add more impactful information there, which shows us what value you're going to bring to the table. For example, I'm a creative brand manager who has a knack of storytelling and has a proven record of driving brands growth. So there you go. It's one line or it's two lines, but as a recruiter, I can see that you have done some things. You are a passionate individual who has literally written this, and I would be interested to know more about you. See, not so difficult. So keep your LinkedIn updated, keep your LinkedIn neat, effective, should have again measurable achievements right there, and updated picture. Do not put that 1920s picture when you were in college and you had this convocation gown. If you're at that stage, great. If you are an individual with years of experience and you still have an old picture, that's not a good look. So updated LinkedIn profile is a must. Okay, the next very important step on LinkedIn: how to approach recruiters without getting ghosted in return effectively. Coming from a recruiter on LinkedIn, please avoid sending those robotic copy paste template messages. Hey, you have this opening, I'm very interested to apply, can I apply? And no, I don't want to see this. What I want is, if a candidate is interested in a position that I have posted, do some homework. You can write by sending a human like message. For example, hey Khala, I have recently seen that you've posted a great position. I'm really interested in that position. I've seen that your company has invested in blah blah blah, and I really think that after this new achievement that your company has achieved, I can contribute to this role like this. Can we briefly connect to discuss it any further? So see, short, sweet, and someone who has done the homework, who know what the company has recently been up to, is coming with telling what value that person can bring and what contribution and how that person is a right match for this role as well. A very short and sweet message. I would be really interested to at least start or initiate a starting conversation with this candidate. So please be sure to add that human touch. Now, I'm not saying you can't write any message with the help of ChatGPT, with the help of any AI platform, but please make sure to add that value to the message that the recruiter would be forced to reply back. If you write something like, hey, any job openings, can you share? Welcome to my blocked forever group, because that has happened. Okay, and now I cannot put more emphasis on the fact that networking is the key. Now, I'm not saying you have to attend the boring long conferences or the network meetups, though I'm that boring recruiter who loves to go into these sessions, because you do get to see and meet a lot of interesting people. But what I'm trying to tell you is, do effective networking, be active on LinkedIn, reply on the relevant post, reply on the post of people who are really good in your industry, who are known in your industry. Keep updating your profile with the newest achievements that you have done, so people get to see what you are up to consistently, and not only after a year or 6 months or 8 months. So whatever you're doing, be active, connect with the right people, share their posts, so you will actually get the attention of a lot of recruiters who are looking for active people, who are looking for the right talent. Lastly, I would like to say it's a very long and sometimes heartbreaking process as well, but be patient and persistent and consistent as well, and do not lose hope. Have the confidence to reach out, but use the right words, use the right content to reach out to the recruiters, and definitely you're going to get noticed, and you will get a better opportunity as well in case you're looking for one. That's it from my side. So I have given you some tips, some insights with a strong resume, with a polished and updated LinkedIn. I cannot see why you cannot be on the top of the candidate funnel that any recruiter is looking for, and definitely you will get the opportunity as well. Please write me in the comment box what kind of challenges are you facing for job hunting, and if I could suggest or advise on anything that you would like to ask me. Till next time, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'm going to be very regular now and going to post weekly videos as well. Till next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay ahead of the curve. We all can try that. Bye.